show you gun time. If you have these guns and have the doors, you can play. And if you have Nerf, you can play too. Let's start. And you need to have these cups too. You need to have a lot. A lot than this is very okay. Let's start building it. Let's put these big ones off first. Let's have these small ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you need the big ones. Big ones 3. So 1, 2, 3. And this one 2. 1, 2. And then 1. Let's get my gun. My gun is not Nerf, okay? But my birthday and I'm going to get a Nerf. 3. This is Danny, I'll go shoot. I got 3 more. 1 more door till I'm done. Oh man. So you can play like this. Now I'm going to start and do it again. Put my gun right here first.